Your email is one of the most important accounts you have. Let us walk through simple steps to keep it safe from hackers. Starting with your password. Make sure it is unique and strong. Avoid using personal details or common passwords. A password manager is a great way to store and generate complex passwords so you don't have to remember them all. Next, turn on two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. You will need a code from your phone or an app to log in. Go to your email settings, find the 2FA option, and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Be cautious of phishing emails. If an email asks for personal information or looks suspicious, it might be a scam. If you see a phishing email, immediately mark it as spam or phishing to help your email provider recognize and block future threats. Ensure your recovery options are up to date. Add a backup email or phone number so you can regain access if you ever lose your account. Regularly monitor your login activity. Set up security alerts so you are notified of any suspicious activity on your account. These steps can greatly improve your email security. Stay vigilant and always be aware of potential threats. Thanks for watching. Secure your email to keep your personal information